everyone! Hi guys! How are you doing? So, I have guests coming over. So, I'm gonna show you how I prepare my stuff and for the guests, right? So, you have already an idea what you can get when you're going to visit me, yeah? So, first, I'm gonna show you my grocery haul, so what I am going to make. So let's do this. Alright. So I have my grocery bag here. Let's get it to the market. See ya. So yes, what I have here. So I have some fruits. The Brahman and raspberry. For the cocktails, of course. And I have some plums. It's a seasonal fruit, so I just want to get it. Okay, plums. And guess what? Okay, I have some grapes because I want to make like a platter. So basically, in the platter, it has some toast and some cheeses and olives, and it's like a tapas thing, you know, a tapas thing of kind of everything. So I'm gonna show you later how I arrange it. So that's why I have that one. And also guess what I have? So I have loads of tomatoes because why? I am going to make a video on how I make pomodoro sauce, tomato sauce, yes, in English. So I'm gonna put it here. Oh yeah. So I put here my spinach. I bought spinach like that because I am going to make, for our main course, it's pasta. So it calls skruskaffen, and it's basically the ingredients spinach and ricotta. So I have spinach here, and of course mint for the cocktail. Why not? Hi. And of course, I have some sage. We need this; it's very important. And we also have chives here. And yes, one more thing. I have several types of cheeses here, which I have camembert. Camembert is for fried camembert, so it's it's my husband's favorite. And I also have grana padano, and it's a cheese which I'm going to garnish. And also have some mozzarella here. Yes, this type of cheeses. And what else I have? Okay, I have some grapefruit. It's for the cocktails again. So I also have some eggs. I think it's I have one broken egg here. Okay, just put this way. Easier. And of course I have some syrup. Just goes here. Okay. And I also have some beer. Of course. Yes. Actually I have beers. It's for Thomas. And I have some heavy creams here because I am going to make panna cotta for dessert. Yes, why not? And yes, we have some this is what I said earlier on, like a tapas thing. So we have some olives and some sweet peppers here, and also have some onions and lemons and garlic, and of course the gelatin. We need it. Yeah. And yeah, I bought also bread, but I already sliced it because I took some for Thomas' lunch. So I guess that's all, and I'm gonna show you bit by bit on how I prepare stuff, of course. Yes, see you. Up the gelatin. the pasta. So, spinach ricotta mixture for our pasta filling here. Look at that. It's just beauty, isn't it? Yeah. Really?